Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare milk thistle versus Liv.52. We'll explore their unique compositions, primary benefits, and how they differ in their approach to liver health. Understanding these distinctions will help you make an informed choice for your wellness journey. Let's dive into the specifics of each supplement, starting with milk thistle's key active compounds and how they function within the body. Milk thistle, primarily known for its active compound silymarin, offers significant liver protection. Silymarin acts as a potent antioxidant, shielding liver cells from toxins and free radical damage. It also aids in the regeneration of liver tissue and supports the organ's natural detoxification processes. Many people choose milk thistle for its targeted approach to maintaining a healthy liver and promoting overall well-being. Liv.52, on the other hand, is an Ayurvedic formulation featuring a blend of herbs like caperbush and chicory. This multi-ingredient approach aims to provide comprehensive liver support, improving its functional efficiency and protecting it from various stressors. Liv.52 is also known to enhance appetite and digestion, contributing to overall digestive health. Its traditional herbal composition offers a holistic perspective on liver care. When deciding between milk thistle and Liv.52, consider your specific needs. Milk thistle provides a concentrated dose of silymarin for targeted liver cell protection and regeneration. Liv.52 offers a broader, synergistic effect through its blend of traditional herbs, supporting overall liver function and digestion. Both are excellent choices, but their mechanisms differ. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.